Hello everybody, welcome to another Pack a Day video. Today we're here with a Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection trading card pack. Came out of a blaster, so we're looking for Horde and Molten Core parallels, which are exclusive to the blaster. Alright. Nice, first card is Ana from Overwatch. Ooh, RPM Racing. That's pretty cool. And a Nubarak from Heroes of the Storm. Ooh, Horadric Cube. Oh, that's pretty cool. It, like, pops out. Nice. Horadric Cube from Diablo. It's an HC25. I'm gonna look into that. So I wonder why there's a 25. Oh, and we got a Horde Red, the Lost Vikings from Heroes of the Storm. All right, so let's actually get two sleeves here. I'm gonna throw that Horadric Cube right into a sleeve. I'm not gonna pop it out or anything. And the Lost Vikings. Slide them here. Alright, now we got Kael'thas Sunstrider from World of Warcraft. And then we got Varg Sorfang from World of Warcraft. That's a real cool picture. And last but not least, the Queen of Blades from StarCraft. So there you have it, another Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection trading card pack. Don't forget to check out TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, like, favorite, subscribe, follow if you like my videos. If you're interested in any of these cards or any other things you see me open up on video, or just interested in checking out my store for tons of other things, check out the eBay link. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out, guys.